Hi everyone, this is Rutuma. Today I'm back with another product review. Wow, onion black seed hair oil. It is a very sleek, transparent plastic bottle, has a pump on top, and now jumping straight to the review. I feel like this is a very concentrated formula. I personally like to use this more as a blend than a hair oil. By that I mean I diluted this one with any virgin oils because I have dry hair and dry scalp. You see, this one has onion and other few things also which will promote hair growth. I won't go into ingredients detail right now, but onions have high content of sulfur which helps in hair growth, but it also has negative effect if you use it too frequently or in a wrong formula. It can be very drying. When I first started using this, I mean, you can see how much I've used it, right? After my second use, my scalp had some eczema, breakouts and dandruff. So much dandruff that I was sure the reason was this hair oil. The only thing I had changed in my hair care routine was this. But because of this result, I'll share with you in a minute. I gave it another shot and used it in a very little amount or quantity by diluting it with other oil. I have seen such a dramatic difference in my hair when I started using this a lot more. Definitely got into hair oils a lot more during quarantine, you know, when we're finally home and we're able to oil our hair like every other day if we want to. So yeah, at that time I did some research, clinical research, because I was like, okay, so this website is telling me that this is going to make my hair darker, longer, stronger, healthier, shinier, but where is this clinical like research? So I needed that. So there's this actual research available online, a study that blew my mind. It put this wow oil against minoxidil. So minoxidil is this typical drug that actually helps with the hair growth and hair loss, and you know, it is what makes Rogaine effective, and this put it against that drug, I mean ingredient. Yeah, this strengthens your scalp and your hair. It reduces premature pigment loss from your hair, so it basically helps with graying. It also stimulates hair growth, reduces hair loss, and prevents and treats dandruff, dry scalp, and especially during the winter. I don't know about you guys, but I love doing my hair oils in winter because I find that my scalp is little bit more drier than usual during cold weather. So just another tip that it also helps with parasitic hair and scalp infection like lice infection, and it also helps prevent and treat fungal and bacterial hair and scalp infection overall basically. So it helps improve your hair and look of your hair as well. So I love to massage this on my scalp, like just circular motion, and just make sure I get it all in my scalp. And then also just by massaging your scalp, you are also increasing the blood circulation, help you with hair growth. And then I love to mix a little bit of virgin oil, and I like to place this again on my ends as well. I leave it in my hair for at least 3 hours before I'm going to wash my hair. If you have time, I highly recommend leaving it overnight. It just does a world of difference for me if I leave it overnight. And obviously when you do a hair oil mask like this, you don't want to sleep on your silk pillowcase. I personally just use a cotton pillowcase and then just throw that pillowcase in the wash next day. It will sometimes have like a hue of brown to the pillowcase because of. Going over summary of my experience, people with dry scalp, maybe it's not the best hair oil for you to invest in, but if you already bought it or want to try it, maybe you can use it like me by diluting it. It has overwhelming smell when you first apply it, which I know some people are not comfortable with, so just putting it out there for you to consider. Leaves behind pigmentation. After using it for straight 2 months, I have seen some good changes in texture of my hair, in general quality of my hair as well. No huge difference in growth whatsoever. This 200 ml bottle retails for 599 rupees, but it's almost always on discount. You can get it for about 400 rupees on their website. So check out their website before you check out Nykaa, or Amazon is also a good option for discount. That is it guys. Scroll for more honest reviews. I will see you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest review like this, also because it's free and you can always change your mind later. So hit that subscribe, don't be shy. Bye.